Jenna Zeg. I'm a sales consultant at Overseas Motors BMW. Today we will be talking about the 2022 BMW M8 Competition. We have an amazing 2022 BMW M8 Competition at Overseas Motors BMW. The twin-turbo premium unleaded V8 engine has a displacement of 4.4 liter and a 617 horsepower. Its 8-speed transmission and all-wheel drive will get you wherever you want to go. The 20-inch wheels have a star spoke style and come with all-season tires. The heated side mirrors are power folding and have turn signals indicators. The driver's side automatically dims when a vehicle comes up behind. Inside front of ventilated seats keep you cool and comfortable in the summer and warm in the winter. For the driver and front passenger, 18-way adjustability makes finding the perfect spot easy. Both seats also have easy access to the rear. Safety is as important as style. This BMW comes with standard safety features, such as lane departure warning and stability control. Come to Overseas Motors BMW and see myself or any of our experienced sales consultants about the 2022 BMW M8 Competition at Overseas Motors BMW. Thank you for watching.